Good morning, students. Now, let us start with chapter number 10, Ordinary Differential Equations. The first one is define order of a differential equation. Next one, define degree of a differential equation. Order and degree asking. What is the differential equation? Differential equation is an equation which contains derivative of x. Derivative means what? dy by dx plus 2 into y equal to. This is the one differential equation. This is all the differential equation. D squared by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus y equal to 5. This is the differential equation. The equation containing derivative. This is the first order, second order. D cube by dx cube means third order. And this is going on. Remember? One type differential means first order dy by dx. This is the second order. D cube by dx cube means the third order. This is going. Then first one, the order is asking. Find the order of the differential equation. What is definition? The order of the differential equation is highest order derivative. That is what the question here. Suppose d cube y by dx cube, 4 dy by dx minus here d square y by dx square plus 5. Suppose this is the equation. This is the first order, the second order, third order. Highest, what is the definition? Highest order derivative. First order derivative, second order derivative, third order derivative. Present differential equation. Now in this particular question, the first equation, first order is 1. In second question, second order no, maximum, highest power. Second order, order is 2. Okay, third order, order is 3. In this way, you find order. Then find the degree of the differential equation. Next one, next exercise. The first exercise, what is this idea? Find the what differential equation is given. What equation is given? What is the order and degree of the differential equation? Asking. First, you must know the definition. Order of the differential equation means the order of the differential equation is highest order derivative present in the differential equation. Next one, if a differential equation is expressed in the polynomial form. This is a polynomial form. Am I right? This is a polynomial form. The highest order derivative appears is called degree of the differential equation. Highest order. That is what? For example, this is a question. D squared y by d square power 3, dy by dx power 4. Am I right? D cube y by dx cube power suppose 2 equal to 2. In this question, what is the order? This is first order, this is second order, this is third order. Part is 3. The whole power is what? 2. That is 3. That's all. Which was the highest order? The whole power is a known. That is called degree. That is the concept. By using this idea, the first exercise, all the problems discussed this idea. Very important proof of concept and one concept. First exercise, all the problems are the same method only. I will do all the problems. Now listen here. Exercise 10.1. What is asking? For each of the following differential equation, determine its order and degree exists. This is the first equation. Here, what is the order? dy by dx is the first order. Okay? First order. In first order, having whole power, no number can set only no. First order. Am I right? Yeah, only dy is not. This is the first order. Order 1. The whole power something is 1. That is degree. Okay, your fraction is there. We don't want fraction. The differential equation of dy by dx, d squared by dx squared, d cube by y by dx cube. They are having power fraction. First to do the fraction. That's why d cube y by dx cube whole power 2 with 3 equal to r to come this side. 3 dy by dx squared minus 5 dy by dx minus 5 minus. Alright? We don't want the by 3. The cubic and both sides. The cubic and both sides means d cube y by dx cube. Alright? d cube y by dx cube. What is square will come? Here 3 into d squared y by dx This is second order. This is third order. Part is 3. R is 3. So D is what? The whole power. The maximum R is this one, you know. The whole power 2. D is 2. That's all. Next problem. From the question itself, this is second order. This is first order. This is second order. But in second order, inside the sign of something. That is not a polynomial equation. Mind it. Anyway, R is directly R is second order. Okay? But it is not here. It is not here what? Polynomial equation. Okay? It is not in the polynomial form. It is not in the polynomial form. Okay? The without sign. If sign without sign, you can cross the model. That is not a letter. The cause of inside argument, that will be the differentiation will not come. That will come in, that is not a polynomial form. That's very important. So sin x, cos x, log x, this all is not no problem. But inside log, inside sin, inside the cos, these are all derivative equality. That is not a polynomial form. That's why the degree is not defined. That is the answer. The degree of the degree of the differential equation is not defined. This is the answer. Mind it. That's all. R is true, but D is not possible to find. Second question over. Now third question. Second question over. Third question over. Now fourth question. Fourth question also root of whole power. We do not fraction, that's why square root of dy by dx equal to 4 into dy by dx plus 7x. Okay? Now square on both sides. Square on both sides. Okay? Automatically, without square will come because square root will cancel here. 4 into dy by dx plus 7x whole square is coming. Now again, it is of the form a plus b whole square. What is that? A square. That is what? 16 into dy by dx whole square. Right? Plus b square. What is x square? Plus 2 into a into b. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 7, 56 6 into dy by dx. Now find the order d. What is the order? Here first order. Here also first order. Here also first order. This is the maximum order. But d is what? If first order whole power 1, but if first order whole power 2, you know, 2 is the answer. The maximum, highest is the speed. The order also maximum. D is also highest. Out of the D is what? And the highest order, first order, your whole power 1 is there, but your whole power 2 is there. And 2 is the maximum. That is the degree. Now, when what is next over here? The square root is there. That is whole power of. We do not fraction. That's why R the equation square and both sides. Then simplify, then find the R and D. Sum of the problem, directly find R and D. Suppose the whole power fraction is involved in it, to remove the fraction, that's very important. Then we will find the R and D. This type of question is not a polynomial form. That's why these are the equation not defined. Remaining part also with that. Now fifth question. Find the order derivative of saying y into dy by dx equal to x equal to something. Now cross multiply. What is cross multiply? Y into dy by dx into dy by dx plus dy by dx whole power 3 equal to x. Understand? Now multiply y into dy by dx whole square. Here y into dy by dx whole power 4. Now it is a degree. Another order. First order only. Degree is what? The whole power 4 is maximum. The 2 is the 4 is the highest. Then in next question, from this question, the power is fraction is there. To avoid fraction, x square, d square and d square equal to minus 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 1 by 2. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What is the answer? Then d square divided by dc square whole square is coming. Square negative becomes positive. So 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power square no whole power 2 to cancel only 1. That's all. Now it is the differential equation. Now what is what? This is first order, second order. D square no 2. D is what? Whole power 2. 2 come on. That is answer. Am I right? Here also root is similar. We don't have square root. Root is what? Whole power half. For square and both sides. Square and both sides. Here d square y by dx square whole power 3 whole square. Here 1 plus dy by dx which is square root whole square. Here power will be multiplied 6. Am I right? Here root will be cancelled 1 plus dy by dx. Now what is what? The first order is second order. 2. D is what? Whole power 6 6 times. 3 more problems there. 2 more question or 1 more question. Very simple concept. We will find the order and degree. Now next question. 8th question. Find the order and degree. D square over d square. The second order. Order is 2. But this is not here. It is not in polynomial form. Okay? Polynomial form. Am I right here? Cos of differential is there. That's right? It is not in polynomial form. Therefore, the order of the degree of the differential equation is not defined. That's all. Order is 2, this is not defined. This is important concept. The second order, the first order, but integration is there. We don't want integration. That's why differentiate with respect to x to all them. Differentiation is what? Second order becomes third order. Okay? Plus 5 constant. The first order becomes second order. Here, differentiation will be cancelled only y. Differentiation x cube is what? 3x square. Now this is again linear form. Polynomial form. Polynomial form. That's why now order is what? This is the third order. D is what? The whole power. 1 Then here also, from the first dy is there. That means order is 1. That answer order is 1. But it is not in the polynomial form. It is not in polynomial form. Am I right? That's why the degree of the differential equation is not defined. That's all. One exercise complete over. First exercise 10 problems are there. All the problems are only 2 marks or 1 mark. Some of the exam problems are there. Revise yourself. Refer the book. What exercise over. Now listen here. Exercise 10.2. Previous question. All the questions are form the differential equation. How many questions are there? 4 plus 5 questions are there in this model. In 5 questions, what is asking? Express each of the following physical statement in the form of differential equations asking. That means what? Find the differential equation, obtain the differential equation, asking me by using given data for the differential equation. These are 2 more questions. These are 2 more questions and 3 more questions. By using this idea, one more exercise is also there. 10 problems are 4 problems are there. That problem starting the same thing, form the equation. After some conditions are given, by using the condition, evaluate, we get the answer. This is very, very important type of question. That's why you must know the formation of equation. That is very important. Find the equation of the different equation of the given data. Here data only are, some data are given, equation only asked. But the last exercise, from form the equation, after some conditions are given, by using that condition, you will find some other thing. That is the concept. I mean, this is basic. The first one is radium, because respect time T always. The rate of population TP by TP. Am I correct? Am I correct? The x is increasing at the rate of dx by dt. Rate means differential with respect time is very important. Very first that q be an amount of radium at time t is important. At time t. What is that? The radium at the rate means the dq by dt is proportional to the amount q present. But dq by dt is equal to the proportion to it's a proportion you want to put some constant k into t, k into q. This is called, which is the differential. That's all. Which is the differential equation. That's all. Short form. That's all. The next one is what? Same thing. The population B. That capital B and population at time t. Population at time t. Am I right? Now what is given? Read the question. At the rate, the population at the rate means dB by dt is proportional to product of population and to the difference between 5 lakhs and the population. 5 lakhs and the difference between 5 lakhs population. Already you know, it's the proportional mean would equal to some constant k. P is something. That's all. Understand? Where k is constant, that's understood. Where k is constant, which is the required, which is the differential equation. That's all. In this way, form will be some other exercise up to the same there. After some conditions given, by using the condition, evaluate constant p, constant k, some other thing, then we get answer. This is the fundamental idea. Form the differential equation. This is the idea. 2 marks the same. We have 5 questions there. 2 questions are over. 10 point exercise. We have only 5 questions. Some of the exam problem answers there. Refer the book. The same concept. Now third question. For a certain substance, the rate of change of vapor pressure P. Let capital B vapor pressure at time t. Am I right? Rate of what is given? Rate of change of P is proportional to what is given? Rate of change of pressure proportional to what is given? Proportional to the vapor pressure inversely proportional to the square of the temperature. Inversely divided by, am I right? Square of the temperature T square. That means what? TB by TT is equal to proportional to T by T square. Remove the proportionality. What is the answer? Kp, K is constant by T square, which is the differential equation. That's all. Here, clearly given that A be the amount, B an amount at any time t, that's important. But the rate is what? What is given? Rate of A equal to 8% is given. 8% of B. Am I right? 8% is given what? Same is the same space. 8% where here compound continuously. That means what? Rate of the A is increasing at the rate of 8%. 8 by 100 is the A. Am I right? Cancel. 4 students, 20 letters. So dA by dt is equal to 2 by 25 with A. Am I right? Now, what is given? In addition, what is given? So from the another investment, the credit to the amount continues at the rate of 400 per year. In addition, rupees 4 பெரிய. Am I right? Therefore, the amount of rate of change of amount is 102 by 25A plus 400. This is the answer. Which is the difference. This is given. This is also only intersection. Only intersection. Once again, 4 rupees per year extra given. Plus. This is a different equation. One more. Now third question. Find the differential equation of the family of the circle passing through origin and getting the center on the x-axis. Pass through origin 0, 0 and the center on the x-axis. That means y coordinate 0, x coordinate suppose a. This a is a very a. We have 0. The equation of family of the circle is passing through origin and the center a, 0. What is the formula for the circle? X minus x square, y minus k whole square equal to r. So this is family of the circle. Okay? So this is comma k, r is k. H is what? A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Am I right? R is what? That is a. X minus a whole square plus only y square equal to a square. This circle is. Now we find the difference equation. Here, a is a constant, arbitrary constant. We don't want a. After differentiation, you want to eliminate a. That's very important. Differentiate one time. Differentiate with respect to x. X minus a whole square, no? 2 into x minus a whole power 1 into each other by what? X minus a. 1 minus 0. 1 minus eliminated. This one also eliminated. Plus the y square become 2 into y into dy by dx. A square is constant. Y square, I told you. Y whole square meaning power is what? 2 into the inside y is the same thing. Whole power, the power is reduced by 1 into difference of y is what? Dy by dx. This is 1 near right. So 2y into dy by dx. This is the difference of y square. Now we want x minus a. 2 into x minus a equal to minus 2 into dy by dx. Cancel no. Now x minus a equal what? Minus dy by dx. Am I right? Now x plus dy is what? Only a. Am I right? From this area to find the a. Once I substitute here, that is the answer. We got what a. Put a equal to x plus dy by dx in 1. What is that? X minus a is what? This one. X plus dy by dx whole square plus y square again a square. Another now multiply minus x minus dy by dx whole square plus y square equal to x plus dy by dx whole square. Another now this will cancel. Another minus dy by dx whole square means only dy by dx whole square. Because minus plus. Am I right? Plus y square equal to. Now it is of the form. Am I right? It is of the form a plus b whole square. Am I right? A square, x square, b square, b is whole square plus 2 into a into b. Am I right? This will be cancelled. So the answer is y square or otherwise x square plus 2x dy by dx. This y square comes as minus y square equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. That's all. Well, we got a concept center on the x-axis. Any point on the x-axis point, already know that is center. Pause r 0, 0. So center is a, 0. Radius what? The distance is only a. Of x minus is whole square, y minus a whole square, and also is the standard equation of circle where this is the center or is the radius. Substitute the value. This is the ordinary differential equation of circle. You will find the differential equation differential only one time because of x and y variable. Only a is no. To eliminate a, only one constant. That's why differential only one time. Again, once again. element A, then we get answer. This is the idea. Now listen here. Find the differential equation of the family of all parabolas with the lattice of Fourier. The standard equation of the parabola is y minus k whole square. That is the Fourier of 4 into x minus x. Am I right? Y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus x. This is a parabola to the x-axis. That's the body. Am I right? Now let us go 4a on the side, right hand side. Minus 4a means minus 4. You have to y-axis means here x minus x whole square 4a into y minus k. This way will come. Now the a already given. Now a will come. The h comma k you don't want. That's what. H comma k only arbitrary constant. This is only constant. This constant may be coming because already 4a given no that a will come in the answer. But h comma k you don't want. Eliminate h comma k. That's why you will differentiate 2 times because h comma k 2 arbitrary constant. That's why differentiate 2 times. You will eliminate h comma k. A will come out. Now differentiate 1 time. Differentiate with respect to x. But that side y minus k whole square now 2 into y minus k whole power 1 into inside what? Y is dy by dx minus this is 0. Am I right? Equal to 4a constant, x is 1 and this is 0. Am I right? 1 time, 2 times. Am I right? The y minus k into dy by dx is equal to, what is the answer? 2a. Am I right? Next sir, you want to eliminate k also, no? That's why differentiate one more time, we get the answer. Am I right? What is one more time? Again differentiate because h comma k 2 arbitrary constant. That's why you differentiate 2 times. We don't want h comma k in this part. Again differentiate with respect to x. Here y is there. Here also y is there. Here is there. That's why uniform. The y minus k is fixed here. Differentiation of this is what? D square y by dx square. Am I right? Am I right? Plus. Once again, what is the answer? Once again. Plus dy by dx is constant. Difference of this is what? Dy by dx k is 0. Here also 0 will come because it's constant. Now multiply y minus k into d square y by dx square plus multiply both dy by dx whole square equal to 0. Am I right? Now y minus k into d square y by dx square equal to minus dy by dx whole square. Am I right? Now we don't want y minus k. You want to eliminate y minus k. We get the answer. Now cross multiply. We get y minus k. Am I right? That will be 1. Okay. This is going to be 1 which is supposed. Am I right? Now cross multiply. Y minus k equal to minus dy by dx whole square divided by d square y by dx square. Am I right? Substitute here, that is answer. Am I right? It will be 2. It will be 2. Put 2 in 1. Put 2 in 1. 2 is what? 1 is what? Y minus k. Substitute here, means y minus k dy by dx whole square divided by d square y by dx square into dy by dx equal to 2a. Now cross multiply. This multiply dy by dx whole cube equal to 2a into d square y by dx square. Now arrange the equation. So 2a into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. Agree or no? We don't want h comma k. A will come. That's not a matter. Then we don't want h comma k. That's very important. That's all. Now fourth question. Find 4a into y minus 1 plus 1. Am I right? X square equal to 4a into y plus 1. This is the first equation. Okay, now the one, you will eliminate only a here. Only a no, only a. But differentiate only one time with respect to x. Then eliminate a. X square becomes 2a equal to 4a constant. Difference of y is what? dy by dx plus du. Am I right? 2x actually. X square will be 4x something. But 2x divided by dy by dx is what? Equal to 4a. Am I right? Leave 2. This of 4a, substitute here, that is the answer. Put 2 in 1. Put 2 in 1. What is the answer? Left hand side x square, right hand side, it's of 4a is what? 2x divided by dy by dx. Into y plus 1. Am I right? Cross multiply x square dy by dx equal to 2x into y plus 1. Now multiply x square dy by dx 2xy plus 2x. Am I right? This is the third equation. Or otherwise arrange the equation x square dy by dx minus 2xy minus y is equal to 0. Now divided by x dy by dx minus 2y minus 2. This is the answer. Which is the required differential equation. In algebraic we have 4 types of parabola equation. Open rightward, open leftward, open upward, open downward. In this way you got know by using the idea y axis is the formula. Listen here. Sixth question. Find the differential equation of the family of ellipses having foci on the y axis. Suppose the foci on the x-axis mean here f dash or s and s. Ellipse is this one. The focus on the x-axis mean ellipse is just like this one. That is what x-axis is a major axis. Maybe. What is the number? X square by a square plus y square by b square what is the equation ellipse. But what is the man? And the foci on the y-axis is given. Am I right? There only focus 1, focus 2. That means what? This type of ellipse. Am I right? What is given? Given foci on the y-axis. That means y-axis major axis. Am I right? That's important. Therefore, now equation of the ellipse is what is the number? X square by b square, y square by a square. Okay, and the x-axis means x-axis is the major axis. X square by a square, y square b square will come. But here, example, foci on the y-axis. Now y-axis is the major axis. Am I right? That's why we have a square is always bigger number. That's why y square by a square. Y-axis major axis means y square divided by bigger quantity. X square small quantity. Am I right? And also the center of the origin. Usually there is form as one. X minus 1 square plus y minus b whole square. Then a square plus b square. H comma k is center. Okay, 0 comma means origin 0 comma 0 given. But h comma 0 means only x square by x square will come. This is the equation. Now here, other than x and y, a and b, 2 values are involved. 2 values are involved. But divided 2 times after eliminate a square and b square we get answer. Now this can be x square by b square plus y square by b square minus 1 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Am I right? Now differentiate with respect to x. What is the answer? 2x by b square. The 2y into dy by dx by a square is minus 0 equal to 0. Now divide by 2. Am I right? X by b square plus y by a square into dy by dx minus 0 equal to 0. This second equation. Now again differentiate with respect to x. What is the answer here? 1 by b square. But here 1 by a square is constant. Y into d is also y into y into the formula. Y into difference of dy by dx is what? D square y by dx square plus dy by dx is here into difference of y is what? dy by dx. Again minus 0 equal to 0. Now write in order 1 by d square into d square. So 1 by a square into y into second order. This is actually what? dy by dx whole square. Last one is minus 0 equal to 0. This is third equation. From 1 to 3, from 1, 2 and 3, we eliminate 1 by a square and 1 by d square. Am I correct? We don't want d square a square. 1 by d square and a square. Am I correct? Now put the determinant. In the first equation, what is that? The 1 by b square eliminated, no? X square, then y square minus 1. Am I correct? In this way you want it, first column. Second is what? Eliminate 1 by b square, only x. Then here, y covers what? 1 by a square covers y into dy by dx. Now so it is 0. Am I correct? Third one is what? 1 by b square cancel 1 by b square cancel. Here y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square. Am I correct? The last one is what? Now x part we get answer. This is easy method for you. Eliminate denominator b square divided by b square. That's why eliminate. Determinant is equal to 0. Now x part, we get the answer. What is the idea? X square into this is 0. This is 0. 0 minus 0. Minus x into, am I correct? Cancel. This is 0, 0. Minus this into this. Am I correct? But this is minus 1. Only minus 1. Plus into here y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square. Am I correct? Close to bracket. Last one is what? Plus 1 into row column cancel. This is 0 minus this is this plus y into this. Now these are all 0. Denominator. Now multiply. Am I right? Minus x into y d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx whole square. Here plus y into dy by dx equal to 0. We don't want first term minus 1. That's why multiply minus 1. We have to answer x y into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx whole square plus minus here y into dy by dx is equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. X into y square plus xy y double dash minus 3. That is the correct answer. Now this is the method. From the three equations, you want to eliminate. That is the answer. Here the very important answer. Focus on the x, y axis. That's why d square will become x square d square. The focus on the x axis means x axis math axis. X square to a square, y square b square will come. Find it. 7th question. Find the differential equation the corresponding to the family of curves represented by the equation y equal to e power 8x plus b e power minus 8x where a and b are arbitrary constant. For two constants there. That's what differential 2 times after eliminate a and b. That is the answer. Now differentiate one time. Differentiate with respect to x. Am I right? Y become dy by dx. A constant. This is here. Differentiate now. E for something become e for something into something should be differentiate into 8 into 1 become. Okay. Again, b into e power minus x. B constant. E for something will come into minus 8 into 1 will come. Okay. For 8a e power 8x minus 8 into b e power minus. This is the first order difference. Now again differentiate with respect to x. But d square y by dx square equal to 8a is constant. The e power something become e power something. It again 8 into 1 minus. Now 8b is constant. E power minus x become e power minus x into the power minus x minus 8 into 1. Okay? Now multiply 8 into 8. 64 a into e power 8x. Again minus 8 here also minus 8. Okay? Minus into minus plus. Am I correct? Here minus 8 into 1 minus 8. Here minus. So plus 64 into e power minus 8x. By chance 64 is common. E power minus 8x plus b into e power minus 8x. This can be written this root of compared to the what is given? Y given. So automatically the a and b should be eliminated. Therefore the equation is minus 64y equal to 0 is the which is the required differential equation. That's all. Only simplification. For two type differentiation afterwards. After taking 64 common, once again y will come. That is the answer. The difference is equal without the a. That's equal. That's all. Now listen here. Find the differential equation of the curve represented by x1 equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x plus x square. What is given? xy a into e power x plus b e power minus x plus x square. Now this is the common side. Xy minus x square equal to a into e power x plus b e power minus x into 1. This is the first equation. Here a and b involved. That is now arbitrary constant. That's why differentiate 2 times after limit a and b get answer. Now differentiate 1 time with respect to x, you know. The xy is the uniform. X is the difference is now y is what? dy by dx. Plus y is the difference x is what? 1 minus difference is now x square is what? 2x equal to a into the e power difference is e power x into the power is only on x is on difference x is 1. Am I right? Plus b into e power minus x the power is minus x now is minus 1. Am I right? Now right now dy by dx plus y minus 2x equal to a into e power x minus b into minus 1. Am I right? This is over. Again differentiate with respect to x. Here also uniform. Am I right? The first one x is fixed. Difference is on next one is what? D squared y by dx square plus the next one is fixed here. Difference is on first one is what? 1n plus difference is on y is what? dy by dx minus 2 into x. X is difference x is what? 1n. Again a into e power x into 1. Here minus b into e power minus x into minus 1. Now simplify. Left hand side x into d square y by dx square minus plus dy by dx. Here also dy by dx. Am I right? Here minus 2 equal to here a into e power x minus into minus plus e power minus x. Am I right? Now inside this one is what? Already find out. Already find out this one. Substitute automatically you will get a and b. That is the answer. So x into d square y by dx square add over 2 times dy by dx minus 2 equal to by using 1. What is 1? xy minus x square by using 1. That's all. This is a required differential equation or arrange and find. So this is answer. Sometimes you will arrange, otherwise this is the answer. Now answer is arrange and find. That is the answer. Am I right? You will arrange left hand side, all together left hand side, which is equal to 0. That is the answer. Now x into d square y into dx square plus 2 into dy by dx. Correct? The minus x square comes as plus x square. This one x minus xy minus 2 equal to 0, which is the required differential equation. This is here first three exercise. Very simple concept. That's why in one day I completed everything. I completed all three exercises. The fourth is somewhat little bit so many classes are there. Once I explain everything, already told you now. Hereafter I will send two videos. Two videos means what the meaning?